Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mini blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zjj-Home Mini Smoothie Blender. Make your favorite beverages no matter where you go. This top mini blender bottle comes with a rechargeable battery that only needs a USB cable to charge it up. Once the power is there, you can make between 10 and 12 drinks per single charge. On top of that, there are no complicated controls to master. Push one button and your drinks are on their way to juice heaven. A 22,000 revolutions per minute motor sees to that. Then the 6 stainless steel blades work tirelessly to turn your ingredients into a healthy beverage for you and your family. Moving on, at number 4, we have the G-TING Personal Smoothies Blender. Made from BPA-free construction materials, you have one safe mini blender to use. This little device comes with a see-through container that has a measuring scale on its side. Getting the right amount inside should not be that hard to do. In addition to that, a 4 to 5 hour charge should produce about 15 to 20 cups of juice before needing powering up again. Then the powerful motor uses 16,500 revolutions per minute and 6 harsh blades to reduce your ingredients to a great tasting juice. 40 seconds should be all you need to go from solid fruit to juice. It's a one-button operation as well. At number 3, we have the LaHuko Portable Blender. Get fresh juice at the beach, the park and without paying the high vendor costs. Just take this portable mini blender along with you. It's charged through a USB port and provides you with a healthy beverage option all the time. After a 3-hour charge, you should be able to produce 18 cups of your favorite beverage in no time. 2 speeds make sure you stay in control of the whole process while the up to 24,000 revolutions per minute motor does its work. The stainless steel blades are durable and should remain rust resistant for a long time. Its small size produces big-time healthy drinks. At number 2, we have the Sboly Smoothie Blender. All you need for a healthy drink is this mini blender, a little fruit, and some ice. Once these ingredients are placed together, the results are healthy drinks for everyone. The blender uses 300 watts of power to make your drinks in about 10 seconds or so. Plus, you have a 20-ounce BPA-free blender cup to put everything in. This mini blender is safe and easy to use. 4 stainless steel blades do all the work. All you have to do is fill the cup, push the button and watch your juice appear. An easy pour spout and the lid makes sure you get all the juice inside without making a mess. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Personal Blender. Surprise your family and make them a great tasting shake for their after-dinner dessert. It is easy to do once you employ this top mini Ninja blender. After you have created your masterpiece, you can pour them out through the easy-to-use spout in the lid. 2 blender cups are included, so your family does not have to wait long for their favorite shake. On top of that, you have 4 stainless steel blades doing all the work. You fill and press a button. That is how simple it is to operate. 700 watts of power drives the motor and almost all the parts are dishwasher safe. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.